This is DJI Spark, and today I'll show how you can manually set or manually adjust the gimbal position on this drone. So at the start, enter the camera view or the device view of the DJI Go 4 application. Now launch settings by tapping at the three horizontal dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display. Here select gimbal settings, that is the settings category that looks like, well, a camera here. And now press adjust gimbal. Now you can adjust the pitch of your gimbal. I guess you should be able to do that with two fingers as well. So slide or to exit this interface, so never mind. So here you can adjust the gimbal pitch. As you can see, the pitch has been changed, as well as the gimbal roll. Then hit the done button once you're finished, and that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.